Welcome back. I'm Sheila. If you're new here, thank you for coming. Today, I am going to show you something pretty unique for Classic Sundays. This is a 1994 Spartan II. Back in the day, kit cars were the rage. Everybody wanted one because you really had to be someone if you had enough money to buy the car and then throw another car on top of this car and turn it into something completely different. Everybody loved these. And don't get me wrong, there were quite a few people that hated them, thought they were stupid, didn't like them. But there is a whole nother crowd that thought these were the most beautiful cars ever. And this one is a 1994 Nissan Spartan kit car on a 1988 Nissan 60ZX 2x2. Not only are the three unique, and this is kind of like the custom shops because you really had to know someone that was good with these kit cars that could put them together. And it took quite a bit of money to do all of that. So to find one of these nowadays is pretty rare. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and enjoy and let me know what you think because kit cars, you either love them or you hate them. So let me know. Enjoy.
Empty hearts and